In this video of our Uke Like the Pros 2-week practice and technique challenge, we are going over the granddaddy of all techniques. So this one is one you're going to use from now forever. I still practice it every single day. It's going to work on all 4 fingers. Welcome to Uke Like the Pros. I'm Terry Carter, and I am so honored that you're here for this challenge. You're going to be blown away by the improvement you're going to see in your playing, in your technique, in the strength, dexterity, and the hand-eye coordination that you are going to develop while doing this challenge. This one is one not to be overlooked. This is one I still do all the time. All string players will do it. So ukulele, guitar, mandolin, doesn't matter. This is a really great warm-up and technique builder. Now, you're here at the challenge. You're watching the video. Do you want to have a chance to win a brand new Kala ukulele? Well, there's a few steps you got to do if you want to do that. First of all, you got to subscribe right here to Uke Like the Pros, turn on that bell notification, and then head on over to the Kala channel. Show them a little love as well for helping us, helping me, helping you win a brand new ukulele. Next, you got to go sign up for this challenge at ukelikethepros.com. I'll put a link to that below. Go sign up. You're going to get all the information you need, plus some bonus material we have over there. And you got to post at least one. That's right, one video over at the Uke Like the Pros forum. I'll put a link to that below if you're not already signed up for that free forum. At least one video. Now, the more videos you post, the more chances you have to win. Now, this one, like I said, this is going to be a really, really important lesson for you to develop the strength and dexterity. But I have one more thing for you. If you want to go the next step, which this is me, when I always sign up for this kind of stuff, become a VIP. You may be asking, what is the VIP? Great question. If you become a VIP for this challenge, one, you're going to get all the downloads, the tab, the PDFs, and all the backing tracks, the slow, the medium, the fast, and we also have extended backing tracks so you can continue working on all this technique. Plus, you get access to the private Zoom calls that we are going to have for the VIPs. You get lifetime access to all of this material at ukelikethepros.com, and you have a chance to win a Ko Aloha ukulele. That's right, Ko Aloha has donated a ukulele just for the VIPs. So we'll go ahead and put that link below. All right, are you ready? I'm ready. Let me show you exactly what we're going to learn in this video. All right, now I went a little fast. We're going to slow it down. Don't worry, we're going to take it nice and slow, especially when we do it with the backing track. But as I mentioned, this is really super important. You might notice the ukulele I'm playing here. This is a Ko Aloha concert, KCM 00, made in Hawaii, all koa wood. But I decided to use the high G because I want to show you that when you're doing these warm-ups, it doesn't matter if you have a low G, a high G, soprano, concert, tenor, all ukuleles will work for this particular video. All right, so I got the chord. By the way, if you like this instrument or need any other accessories, check out store.ukelikethepros.com. You ready? Check this out. First off the bat, you're going to notice I'm just going to use my thumb for this one to do the picking. If you want to use them alternate picking, that's totally fine, and we'll do that in later videos. But right now, just using my thumb, downstrokes to do the picking. Going to start right here on the first string, first fret, first finger. Move to the second finger, third finger, and then the pinky. Now, I'm going to show you kind of the beginner way here. And then if you're more advanced or want to try something more advanced, I'm going to show you that here in just a little bit. A couple of things to keep in mind when you're doing this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Try to keep all your fingers down even as you're adding a new note. Okay, that takes a little bit of extra strength, but that in the long run, it's going to be much better for you. The other thing is continue to play on your fingertips, curve those knuckles and get every note nice and clean. In order to do that, you just got to have nice pressure, play right up next to the fret, and just get those really clean, beautiful notes. All right, so that's the first string. Then you're just going to simply move it up to the second string, do the same thing. 3, 4, move it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and move it up. 1, 2. Now you might notice 1, 2, 3, 4. That could be the counting because these are all quarter notes. It could be the frets, and it could also be your fingers in this first position here. Now, when you get to the top, you're just going to simply slide up to the 2nd fret and do the same thing, except you're going to be on the 2nd fret, 3rd fret, 4th fret, 5th fret. Now move it down a string. Just keep going. Move it down a string. And move it down a string. Are you with me? Leave a comment below what you think. Don't overlook this. This is really important. I'm going to show you the hard way in just a second, or a harder way in a second. Then, when you just finish here on the 2nd fret, you're just going to slide up to the 3rd fret. You're going to do the same thing. And then you're going to slide up to the 4th fret. And that's where we're going to stop right there on the 1st string, 7th fret. Now, you can practice on your own. You can actually go higher and lower, up and down the neck. That's fine. But just for this video, we're going to stop right there on the 4th fret. Now, if you're ready, if you can handle it, and if you're not, that's okay. But I'm going to show you one other way that you can make this even just a little bit harder. Check this out. Did you notice what I did? All I did is after I played the 1st string, when I moved my 1st finger up, I kept all these other fingers down. Then I moved my 2nd finger, keeping all these fingers down, 3rd finger, and then 4th. And then when I go up the next one, do the same. Only moving 1 finger at a time, keeping all the other ones down. Now you can do this when you're going up the strings, but also if we slide up to the 2nd fret and we go down, you can do the same thing here. So when you're going to the 4th string and the 3rd string, just keep only moving the 1st finger, only moving the 2nd, only moving the 3rd, and 4th. This is really going to build that strength in your hand, and it's going to really see if you have that clarity in each note, because it's real easy to droop the fingers and get that kind of muted sound, which you don't want. So that is going to be a challenge, but if you're up for it, go ahead and do it. But for now, let's do it with the backing track. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's how you do it right there. If you notice, I was doing the more advanced way, and it takes a lot of concentration. What I want, though, is I want to comment below how you did. 1 to 5 on that scale. 1 meaning you need more work, 5 meaning you crushed it. And let me know. Let me know in those comments. But if that was too fast, we have slow backing tracks. We have faster backing tracks. And we have the extended backing track so you can practice this up and down the neck, as well as the PDFs and the tab. That's available all to the VIP. So we'll put a link to that below if you want to become a VIP. This is a really, really important lesson, exercise to get down. This is going to build your strength. This is going to build your dexterity. And this is one that I still use to this day whenever I pick up my uke or even my guitar. So make sure you get it down. Don't overlook it, even though it seems simple. Now, if you dig in, what we're doing here in this challenge, and we got a lot of videos left to do in this challenge. After this is over, we're going to have an advanced technique workshop. I just want to put that out there just so you hear it. And if that's something you're interested in, we'll put a link below that you can go sign up or at least just get some more information. All right, that's going to do it for this one. Great job. Stick with it, and we'll see you in the next video.